February 2nd, Gatineau Park. I'm with Mian. We're gonna go cross-country skiing. Ski camping, actually. We're gonna ski from here, P17 parking lot, all the way to Lac Philippe. Should be a good trip. Thanks for watching. I don't know, a few kilometers into the trail. We're at this intersection between trail 51 and 53, and there's this wayfinding sign right there. Here's Mian right there. Got a bit more skiing to do. The conditions are really great today. A week ago it was like sheer ice on a lot of these trails, and we got, I don't know, about 10 centimeters of snow, so it's good. My hands are warmed up. We're gonna meet our friends Kurt and Tyler, who are snowshoeing in from a different location, but yeah, we're meeting there, have dinner, pitch our tents and shelters and tarps, and Tyler may make a Quincy, maybe. Alright, we're at P19, I think, 3.5 kilometers from a shelter which is close to where we're camping, so that's about what we've got left. So far so good on the trails in Gatineau Park. There's Mian again. Alright, we're less than a kilometer away from our campsite near the Lac Renault shelter. So I thought that we had to check in this building, but there's signs that say check in at the first gate, which I don't know where that first gate is. I was expecting it to be here, but anyway, I've got my camping permit, so I'm not really breaking any rules. One of those zany, weird technical things about camping and parks in Canada. All these rules about checking in, when it's kind of a waste of time. We're at our site, Camp R5. There's fire pit, picnic table, Mian, skis somewhere. We're waiting for Kurt and Tyler. There's lots of snow. I'm gonna pitch our shelters and probably make a fire in a bit. We're sort of in this like car camping cluster that is a winter camping place in the winter, obviously, but every site in this cluster of 25 sites was booked, but we haven't seen anybody. So, and all the sites are kind of close together, so I don't know if everybody's coming later or what, but right now we've got it to ourselves. Shelter for tonight. I'm pretty pleased with how that turned out. Kurt and Tyler have arrived. Tyler's digging a Quincy right now. There's Mian pumping up her thermarest. Tyler's Quincy. I think it's about midnight. We're all cozied up in our different tents and shelters and Quincy's and tarps and all that. Tomorrow we'll ski some more. I think it's about -8 Celsius outside right now. Not too bad. I'll stay warm. Got a hot water bottle in here too. So nice and cozy. Alright, good night. It is now morning and everything is packed out. There's everybody. Kurt, Tyler, and me. So we're gonna ski and snowshoe to the east side of Lac Philippe. I wanted to do a tour of my tarp, but my ski pole that was holding up was like buckling under the weight of the snow, so that didn't happen. But I think overall that setup worked out pretty well. The hardest thing was kind of keeping this fire going. It's snowing right now and it's just kind of soaking the fire. We're gonna hit the trail now. Alright, we've lost Kurt and Tyler. They made their own way on snowshoes. We're now at the junction between Trail 52 and the Trail 50, which will get us to Heritage Cabin, where we'll stop and have a snack, but then we'll make our way back to there. Here's Mian. Alright, Mian and I have finally arrived at Heritage Cabin on Trail 50 in Gatineau Park. Alright, we're done. Back at my rental car with Florida license plate. It's covered in snow. If this is the first time you're watching a video on my channel, I recommend that you check out other videos on my channel. There's other videos of bike trips and hiking trips, a bit of motorcycle stuff too. And if you like this video, if you like ski camping, cross-country skiing, winter camping, all that stuff, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very, very much for watching. Until next time, bye.